I'm going to walk you step by step through how to make your very first online sale using AI. Even if you've never sold anything online before, have no audience, and don't feel techy at all. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, beginner-friendly system you can basically copy and paste to go from zero to your first sale using free AI tools that do most of the heavy lifting for you. Hey, I'm Eli Rowan. Not long ago, I was exactly where you are right now, scrolling through videos, overwhelmed by all the secret methods, and honestly feeling like I'd already missed the boat on making money online. I tried copying random strategies, stayed up way too late watching tutorials, and every time AI came up, it just felt too complicated. No sales, just frustration. Then I stopped chasing hacks and built one simple AI-powered system that finally brought in my first real online sale, and then another and another. Now I use this channel to help beginners like you skip all that chaos and shortcut straight to that first sale. Alright, let's get into the actual step-by-step system for making your first online sale using AI, even if you're starting completely from zero. We're going to keep this super simple and break it down into 4 clear steps. Pick a simple offer that can realistically sell. Let AI build most of your sales machine for you. Use AI to create content that brings you traffic. Turn that attention into your first actual sale. And at the end, I'll give you a quick 30-day game plan you can follow to go from idea to first sale, so stick with me. Step 1. Pick one simple offer and stop chasing shiny objects. The biggest reason beginners never make a single dollar online isn't that the methods don't work. It's that they keep jumping from one thing to another. Dropshipping for 1 week, print on demand the next, then Amazon, then trading, then some random secret app someone hyped in a video. You never stay with one method long enough to learn the basics and actually see results. Before we even discuss AI, we need to pick a simple lane and commit to it. For this guide, I'm going to give you a path that doesn't require you to be on camera, doesn't require you to hold inventory, and uses AI to do most of the heavy lifting. That path is a simple online store model where you pick products you don't personally stock. AI helps you build the store. Automation tools handle most of the tedious tasks, such as product importing and shipping. Your only real job? Choose a niche and a product that people actually care about. Here's a quick way to do that. Ask yourself, what kind of people do I understand the best? Gamers, pet owners, busy parents, gym beginners, students? Then ask, what small problem or desire do they have that they'd actually pay to fix or enjoy? Cooler gym shirts, cute dog accessories, productivity tools, calming journals, desk gadgets, and so on. You're not trying to invent the next iPhone. You just need one product that solves a small problem or scratches a small itch. And yes, you can absolutely use AI to help you brainstorm. Type into your AI tool, give me 10 beginner-friendly product ideas for type of person that don't require me to hold inventory. Pick one that feels doable and interesting to you. That's your starting offer. Don't overthink this part. Just choose one lane and lock it in. Step 2. Let AI build your sales machine. Store plus product page. Once you know what you want to sell, you need somewhere to actually take the money. In the past, this meant designing a website from scratch, figuring out themes, plugins, and integrations, messing with product pages and shipping settings. Now, you can use AI-powered store builders that handle most of this for you in minutes. You choose your niche, enter a store name, the AI suggests a layout, basic pages, and sometimes even product options, and connects to a platform that processes payments and sends orders to your supplier. On top of that, automation tools can import trending products for you, keep prices and images updated, and forward orders directly to suppliers who ship to your customers, so you never touch inventory. Your job here is to guide the AI, not code anything. Here's what to do once the basic store is created. 1. Use AI to write product descriptions that actually sell. Instead of writing something boring like black hoodie, 100% cotton, comfortable. Ask AI. Write a short, benefit-driven product description for a product aimed at type of buyer. Focus on the result it gives them and why it's better than generic options. You'll get something much closer to what real customers actually want to hear. Then tweak the wording so it sounds like you, not like a robot. 2. Use AI to generate product titles and taglines. Ask for 10 headline options and pick the clearest one, not the fanciest. 3. Use AI to help with pricing. Ask, what is a reasonable price range for product types sold online, and where should I price mine as a beginner to encourage sales? You're not trying to squeeze every dollar out of your very first sale. You're trying to get that first win, prove the concept, and build confidence. Once your store and your main product page look clean, simple, and easy to understand, you're ready for the next phase. Step 3. Turn on the magnet AI-powered content for traffic. A beautiful store with no visitors is like a fancy restaurant in the middle of the desert. So let's talk about traffic and how to get it without ads, big budgets, or a huge audience. Right now, the fastest way for beginners to get attention is short-form video. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Here's the great part of that. You don't need millions of followers for this to work. These platforms care way more about how people react to your content than how big your following is. That means even a brand new account can blow up if the content hooks viewers and keeps them watching. You're going to use AI in two big ways here. 3A. Use AI to come up with video ideas and scripts. Don't sit there staring at a blank screen. Ask your AI tool. Act as a marketing expert. Give me 20 short video ideas that would attract your ideal buyer for my product type, using a hook, problem, solution structure. You'll get ideas like, the mistake most your audience make when doing X. 3 reasons your old solution is costing you money. POV. You're tired of pain and just want desired result. Then, for each idea, have I write a 30 to 45 second script. Edit it so it feels natural and matches your tone. You don't need Hollywood-level quality. Simple shots of the product, B-roll, text on screen, or a completely faceless video with a voiceover, or just captions can work. The goal is consistency, not perfection. 3B. Use AI to speed up editing and repurposing. AI video tools can now auto-cut awkward pauses, add captions, suggest hooks and titles, and resize for different platforms. You might record 160 to 90 second vertical video, use AI to chop it into 2 to 3 shorter clips, post them as Reels, Shorts, and TikToks without doing triple the work. Here's a simple 30-day traffic challenge. Post 1 short video per day for 30 days, all pointing to the same product. Every video includes a strong hook in the first 2 to 3 seconds, 1 clear idea, a simple call to action. If you want one, the link's in my bio. If even one of those videos hits 100,000 views and just 1% of viewers buy a $20 product, that's around $2,000 in sales from one piece of content. Will that happen instantly? Probably not. But it shows you the math and the potential when you mix short-form content with a solid offer. Step 4. Turn attention into your first sale. Now let's talk about what happens when people actually start showing interest. Comments like, "Where can I buy this?" Link? "How much is it?" Or when you notice people visiting your profile, clicking your link, following you after watching a product video. That's not just engagement. That's buying intent. Here's how to turn that into an actual sale with a simple AI-assisted system. 4A. Make it painfully easy to buy. At a minimum, you need a clear link in your bio that goes directly to your product page, or a simple one-page mini funnel with a short explanation and a big Buy Now button. No complicated menus, no 20 different choices. Remember, this video is about getting your first sale, not building a giant catalog. You can even ask AI to outline your landing page. Create a simple landing page structure for a product that explains what it is, who it's for, why it's better than alternatives, and ends with a clear call to action. Next, copy that structure into your page builder, fill in the blanks, and you're good. 4B. Use simple DMs to close warm leads. Most beginners are scared to do this, which is exactly why it works so well. Whenever someone follows you, leaves a comment like, "I need this," or replies to a story about your product, send a short, friendly message. For example, "Hey, appreciate you checking this out. Are you just browsing for ideas, or are you actually looking to get the result your product helps with?" If they say they're serious, follow up with, "Got it. Based on what you said, I think product could be a great fit because reason." If you want to grab one, here's the link. If you've got a question first, ask away. You can have AI help you draft a few non-pushy DM templates, then personalize them so they feel genuine. The key is to talk like a normal human who believes in what they're selling, not like a spam bot. 4C. Build instant trust with simple social proof. People have been burned online before. Even for a low-priced product, they still want reassurance. Here's how to stack trust fast. Order your own product and film a simple unboxing or demo. Show exactly what they get up close. Screenshot positive comments or messages, blur details if you need to, and ask your first customers for a quick one-line review and share those in future videos. You don't need hundreds of reviews. Sometimes one honest testimonial plus your own real preview is enough to help someone click buy. Step 5. Your 30-day first sale game plan. Let's pull everything together into a simple plan you can actually follow. Week 1. Foundation. Pick one niche and one product. Use AI to brainstorm, then commit. Use an AI store builder to set up your basic store and product page. Make sure your payment system and link in bio are ready. Week 2 and 3. Traffic. Use AI to generate 20 to 30 short-form video ideas and scripts. Record and post 1 video per day to TikTok, Reels, and Short. Every piece of content points to the same product and the same link. Week 4. Optimization and closing. Watch which videos get the most views, watch time, and comments. Make more content in that style. Start DMing new followers and engage commenters using simple, friendly questions. Use AI to refine your product description or landing page based on the questions people keep asking. If you stay consistent for 30 days, not perfect, just consistent, you'll be miles ahead of the people who just binge content and never actually implement. And once you've proven to yourself that you can make $1 online, everything changes. You can improve the system, raise your prices, add more products, and start turning that first sale into a real income stream. If this video helped you see a clear, beginner-friendly path to your first online sale using AI, do 2 quick things for me. Hit the like button so this reaches more beginners who are stuck exactly where you were. Subscribe and turn on notifications because in the next videos, I'm going to walk you through the exact AI prompts I use for product ideas, how to script faceless videos in under 5 minutes, and how to turn that first sale into a repeatable, scalable system. And finally, drop a comment below and type first sale if you're committed to making your first online sale in the next 30 days. I'm Eli Rowan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.